Good morning, my dear children. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing really good and you all are studying nicely, right? So today, teacher is going to teach you a new topic, and that we will see what all things are there in that topic. But before that, we will do our prayer. Okay? Okay, everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. All right, children. So, this is your new topic, inside and outside. Okay, inside and outside. So, today we are going to learn about inside and outside. So, now one by one, we are going to understand what is the inside word and what is the outside word. Okay, inside means what, children? Inside matlab अंदर. Inside मतलब अंदर. See, you can do like this. Inside मतलब अंदर. Outside मतलब बाहर. Outside मतलब बाहर. Okay, inside मतलब अंदर. Outside मतलब बाहर. So can you see this bee? ऐसे that bee is inside its house, right? And if you see this one, it is outside, right? So one by one we will see all the examples for inside and outside. Let's start. Okay, so can you see this dog? One dog is sitting inside the house, अंदर बैठा है, right? And the other dog is sitting outside the house, मतलब वो बाहर बैठा है, right? See, for example, if you are now sitting at your home and watching this video, अगर आप ये घर पे बैठ के वीडियो देख रहे हो, मतलब you are sitting inside the house, अंदर बैठे हो घर के, right? But similarly, if you are watching this video in outside, like on, if I can say, somewhere else in the park, so you are outside the house, right? Now we'll see the next example. Again, can you see this bird? Can you see this bird? The one bird is inside the house, in the yellow house, whereas the other bird is outside. Can you see? Wait, I'll show you. See, this bird is inside the house and this is outside the house. वो बाहर है घर के, right? And this one is inside the house. All right. Now let's see another one. Okay. Now if you see this pencil box, pencils जो सारे, can you see this? This one, इसमें ग्लास के अंदर सारे पेंसिल्स, पेन्स एंड ब्रशेज है, राइट? है ना, इनसाइड. whereas if you see this one, तो ये सारी बाहर है चीज़ें, राइट? See, if you see this one, देखो ये वाला जो मैंने देखा है, सारी चीज़ें ग्लास के अंदर है. एवरीथिंग इज इनसाइड द ग्लास प्रॉपरली, राइट? whereas over here if you see here, ये सारी चीज़ें ये ग्लास के बाहर है. So it is outside the glass, whereas here it is inside the glass, right? All the things here is inside and here it is outside the glass. ठीक है? Now next. Now your books in the box. Can you see the box? ये box के अंदर सारी books है. See. So I was telling you, these in ये boxes के अंदर सारी books है. Inside. Can you see? All these books are inside the box. whereas if you see these books, it is outside the box. ये box empty है, right? Box में कुछ भी नहीं है. So what do you understand in this? The books are inside the box. देखो, in this the books is inside the box, whereas over here the books is outside the box. Right? The book is outside the box. Now, see, if you see, this is your book, page number 35 पे, you can see this topic, and in this topic what they are asking. Now let's see what they are doing. One by one I'll explain you. So, can you see these books? As I told you, ये सारे books देखो, ये सारे shelf के अंदर है, but these books are outside. So this one is inside and this one is outside. Okay. Okay, now over here, can you see these compass box? So compass box के अंदर कितनी सारी pencils है? So it is inside. So this one is inside. It is inside, and these all pencils are outside the box. Compass box, right? अगर आपके पास भी compass box है तो what you do, you keep some pencils inside the box. जब आपको use होता है, जब आपको कुछ लिखना होता है तो what you remove it, remove the pencils, so that pencils are outside the box. Okay, now we'll see the next. Okay, here what you have to do, color the objects that are inside using one color and color the objects using a different color that are outside. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to see and you have to color it accordingly. Okay, so see, over here what you have to do, you have to color inside one color and outside one color. So let's choose the color. So for inside I'll choose red, and let's start coloring. See, for inside you're going to color one by one nicely all the donuts. Okay, red color donuts. Okay, ऐसे आपको पूरा color करना है. Similarly here also you will color all the pencils red. Okay, but outside what you're going to do, outside we will use different color. So we will take green color for outside. Okay, see, for outside we can take green color, and आपको इसी तरह से outside के लिए you have to color it green. So this is the way you are going to do inside and outside. You have to complete your work and you have to keep practicing such concepts, and yes, you have to do it very nicely, children. I know you all are practicing and I know you all are smart enough to do it. So do it and complete your work on time. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.